We recently saw the Cockroach Janata Party making waves in the Indian politics. But there's something equally interesting happening in Japan. And it's interesting because it is around politics and AI. Well, at the center of this interesting thing is Ano Takahiro. He is an engineer, he is an AI entrepreneur, and now he has formed a political party called Mirai. And out of 318 seats, he has got 11 seats in the lower house in Japan. This is a big deal because while most countries are still struggling to find their ways around AI, Japan has made a leap by giving AI and an AI entrepreneur place in its parliament. And the way other countries deal with AI and the way Japan deals with AI is different. And I'll tell you why. Because for Japanese people, technology or AI is not like a Terminator or a rogue robot. For them, it is like Doraemon. Japanese people grew up watching Doraemon, who was like a friendly robot helping people. And so, people in Japan hope that when AI enters politics, it will solve policy problems. It will automate a lot of things. And considering that Japan has an aging population, even in the parliament, the average age group is 55. It is a very interesting thing to just lower their age group and also bring AI in practice to solve a lot of problems that the country is facing. So Mirai, the political party, is trying to solve a lot of problems through automation in the country. But how successful or unsuccessful that will be, I think time will tell. But as of now, AI has a place in Japanese politics.